In the present day, battle tanks are the main shock power of the land forces. For the effective combating the hostile tanks and other armored objects and firing points, the joint stock company SRPC has developed a mobile anti-tank missile system Shershen. This is the anti-tank missile system of the third generation. It has a wide range of important advantages if comparing it with other systems of this generation. Maximum range of fire of the anti-tank missile system Shershen at a moving target is 5 km, at a stationary target 5.5 km. A sighting range of fire of Shershen ATMS is superior to the sighting range of firing the tank guns in 1.52 times. Time of approach of a missile at the maximum range of fire is not more than 24 seconds. Caliber of the missile is 130 or 152 mm. Armor penetration is from 800 mm up to 1100 mm depending on the caliber of the missile. Weight of the system with a missile is about 85 kilograms. A crew of 2 persons can easily move the system Shershen on march or by any kind of transport. Time of deployment is just 2 minutes, and in another minute the missile is approaching the target. The shooting is conducted at an all-service firing range. A T-80 tank body is used as an armored target. A crew occupies a position at a distance of 3.6 kilometers. The target is in the line of sight region. The launching is made in 55 seconds after the crew has taken up a position. The target is hit. Anti-tank missile system Shershen works reliably with high effectiveness. The system includes a guidance unit, a transport launching container with a guided missile, a launcher, and a remote control panel. The guidance unit PNS is designed for surveillance of terrain and reconnaissance of targets, guidance of the missile at the target, measuring of range up to the target, and control of the missile in flight. With all this, the laser channel of TMS Shershen missile control in flight has the important advantage. It was produced using the so-called mode of access. While in flight, the missile is moving with elevation over the line of vision from 3 up to 10 meters and only half a second until the moment of target destruction it gets the line of vision. It allows to perform the effective firing on a terrain with natural and artificial obstacles, bushes, trees, power transmission line supports, as well as increases the stealth capability. The enemy doesn't see until the last moment the laser emission and the missile. It doesn't have any time to shelter itself. Besides, the PNS may be equipped with a thermal imager of different manufacturers. Launching of the missile is made from the transport launching container. The warhead of the missile can be dual hollow charge or high explosive. The dual hollow charge warhead allows to penetrate the reactive armor of all modern tanks and armored vehicles, as well as to pierce the armor of width from 800 mm up to 1100 mm behind the reactive armor, depending on the missile caliber, if contact angle, as per normal, is 60 degrees. Missiles with high explosive warhead are used to defeat enemy's manpower, including those staying in shelters of different types, as well as non-armored vehicles. The launcher is produced on a folding 3-point support, which allows to use the system Shershen on any relief of the terrain. A mobile platform is installed on the launcher. which provides turns in horizontal and vertical planes. The guidance unit PNS and a container with the missile are fixed on it. Shershen system is controlled remotely from the external control panel. An operator can stay approximately close to the launcher and in a shelter at a distance of 100 meters and more. It's also possible to use a wireless control of the system with help of a radio modem at a range of up to 300 meters. It considerably enhances survivability of the crew and decreases psychological stress on the operator. The remote control panel before the launching makes the automatic testing of all the systems of the complex. It's ready for operation in 1 minute already after supply of electric power and ensures its workability for at least 4 hours without replacement of an accumulator storage battery. It's possible to control up to 4 launchers from one control panel. It's possible to apply the ATMS Shershen with a launcher for 2 missiles. Shershen is efficient against mobile targets. Auto-tracking mode allows to track and destruct moving targets automatically without participation of the operator. The operator should just lock on the target for auto-tracking mode and then push the button for missile launch. In this mode, the system actually functions in fire and forget mode. The system Shershen is universal. It may be used in any climate areas within the range of working temperatures from -40 up to +60 degrees centigrade. It may be used by day and at night, and in adverse weather conditions. Whatever subdivisions may have Shershen in their service, it is capable to defeat equally effectively the up-to-date tanks, including those with mounted and built-in reactive armor, fortification, constructions, above water, and even low-speed air targets, due to the use of auto-tracking mode. Thanks to the technological effectiveness, the system is simple to operate. Training of personnel can be conducted in the subdivisions. Shershen ATMS doesn't possess one of the main disadvantages of the systems where thermal or rather self-homing warheads are applied, because it allows to fire and destruct all visible targets, including those which have no contrast in thermal and radar ranges, even fixed weapon emplacements. Missile system Shershen can be used not only autonomously, but on different mobile platforms. The modular principle of construction of the launcher allows to use bases of different wheeled and caterpillar chassis, sea and river vessels. It's also possible to apply a combat module with 1, 2 and 4 missiles. It is possible to install Shershen on them for a short period of time direct in the territory of the customer. A special mobile option is the striking complex Caracal, which multiply increases the effectiveness of the unique capabilities of the anti-tank missile system Shershen.